Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to customize Odoo products page, which is let me show you what I am talking about. Let's go to our site, which is staging.mynature. This is our developing side. So this is a product page, which is one of our products, Shilajit Resin Extract. So I have I have done many customizations. Like this description was in text format, no HTML style like this. You can't do that in text format. Okay, so I have to make it HTML. So this is one of the customization, and today I'm going to show you how to customize this, because there is two similar function button. I need to knock out this button from this page. Okay, so I will show you today how can I do that. So what you need to do, you have to go to admin section. I already log in, so I will show you from very start. Like um, let's go to our site and click here. I already logged in as an admin. Make sure you have logged in as an admin. Sorry for the net, it's a little bit slowish. So, and make sure you have activated these options. Right now it shows deactivate, so if you already activated, it should show this. Okay, then you should have get this option, and after clicking this you will have seen this option, and go there and search the product. Okay, product, make sure P is capital, because there are many product related views floating around. So you definitely have to pick the right one, otherwise you can't do that. So product, kanban, many things. I have to go a little bit further, and you see there is a products, not product. So make sure it's product, not products. Okay, go there. Yes, and this is the one you are going to work to customize products page. So what will I do today? uh, so I have implemented these sections first, but it was not perfect, so I re-implemented this because uh, the way organization wanted. So I made this. So I have to get rid of these sections. So what I will show. So there is the sections where it belongs. So there is UPC, and there's order from MND online, and these are the Python modules and functions and codes that actually pulls the data for expected data. Whatever you might use another purpose, but this particular section is the responsible for these sections. So I will get rid of this. Let's do that. um, okay, so make sure after doing any customizations you have saved it like this. Okay, so I should see after reloading the page. Okay, let's go. Yes, already it's we got rid of this situation. So anything you might pull the price on top of these sections, where you can do that. So I will do that in next project. So if I get the green signal to customize, so I will do that. So I will do it in here as well, because this is the page where, so you will be able to do that. So this is product name, this is the title, and product detail, main product page, and description a little bit further. And it's a little bit tiny, but you have to do that in this way. Okay, so thank you for watching, and make sure you have subscribed me to publish more videos, more helpful videos. And if you have any questions, please put the comment on, and thank you.